Joyroom just launched their brand new earphones JR-T13, and these are actually the perfect clone of Apple's simple AirPods. Well, I have already made a review and unboxing video of AirPods Pro Perfect clones from Joyroom, and that was Joyroom T13 Pro. You can watch that video if you want. You will find the video link in the description. Now let's talk about these beautiful AirPods clone, which are these JR-T13 from Joyroom. First of all, I would like to thank you to Joyroom for sending me this product for review, and I'm really grateful for that. Starting with unboxing first, then it was sent to me in this packaging, not obviously in this one as it was packed in that shipping flyer, you know. Then there is our channel name mentioned, okay, along with Joyroom branding. Let's open it up. Then some kind of affiliate paperwork, and then our premium quality JR-T13 wireless earphones box. Here you can see the model number. Then we get some main key features mentioned over here and the official Joyroom sticker so that no one can fake you with fake Joyroom earphones. Now let's break this seal off. And then as always, this Joyroom product also provides that simple and clean unboxing experience. Sliding that box out, you will notice that you have dropped the charging cable if you are doing it upside down. First of all, we have a Type-C charging cable, and then finally here is our T13 earphones charging case in a bit more rounded corner than the original AirPods case. Let's dig in and see what else we do have in the box. Okay, we have the biggest treasure hidden in the box that we've always been ignoring since childhood. Basically a user manual. These are all box contents. I would have appreciated if Joyroom included a rubber case. Anyways, holding them in hands gives same feel as of original AirPods because the case also has matte finish on it. By the way, this T13 comes in two colors, white and black, and you can buy your desired one through the link in description. Build quality is solid enough. Then there is a Type-C charging port at the bottom of case. The front side of case has an LED indicator which turns stable white while on charging, turns off when charging completes, and if it is stable green then it means you have enough battery, and if white starts blinking then it means you need to plug it in a power source because case is running out of power. The back side tells us about the battery capacities of case and earphones etc. They are lightweight also and produce a beep when you open the case and automatically connects with nearby device you have already connected with. The opening and closing sounds of the case is also another factor that is similar to the one on original AirPods. This is where your mic is located at the bottom, and this silver ring, this size and all of the holes on earphones for sensors are actually same, and no one can tell you without testing if these are clones or original ones. They are exactly same. We have dual speakers in both of them which produces way much louder sound that you can even use them as mini speakers if you are studying or doing something else where you need really a lower sound. Then this is the in-ear detection sensor which is present on both of the earbuds. I will show you it's working later in the video. Now let's find out about these earphones. So the pairing method is simple. Just take the earphones out from the case, turn on Bluetooth on phone, search for JR-T13 and connect it. That's all. And we are ready to use them. So I'll be playing some music and here it is. Now you can listen to this and imagine that how loud these are. I am actually going to take the volume to max and then bringing them closer to microphone so that you can have an idea of loudness of these earphones. Now you have heard it. and I would say that the sound quality is actually great. Like Joyroom has improved it to great extent if we compare it with their previous model T03 Pro and T03S earbuds. Coming towards the controls, then they are actually very fast and very responsive. And if I put earphones in my ear, then the ear detection sensor comes in action and resumes the video, and if I again take them out of my ear, then it pauses the video, and this is actually great. A single tap on any of earphone will pause or resume the video, and the response rate is also really fast here. The next control is to forward or backward the videos. If you double tap instantly on the right earphone, it will take you to the next video. And if you double tap on the left earphone, whatever you say, it will take you to the previous song or music, whatever you are playing. The price of these earbuds is just $34.99 US, which is around 5600 Pakistani rupees. And in this price range, these are having amazing sound quality. The thing that disappointed me was that if you listen to music for a very longer time period, then you might feel pain in your ears, but that's normal, I think. On the other hand, if we compare them with JB's earbuds, then this Joyroom has more sound quality and also do provide less ping in online games like PUBG. I am not saying that these Joyroom earphones provide enough ping to play games smoothly, but they do provide lower ping than these $100 JB's earbuds. You can also watch the review of these JB's earbuds by going through the link in description. These Joyroom earphones are IPX5 rated. It means that they can pass through normal water conditions like rain or sweat, and that's enough, I think, because this is what we should expect from the earphones of this price range. These T13 earphones provide around 2 hours and 26 minutes of music time, and I have tested this by myself. And this charging case takes almost 1.5 hours to get fully charged. And the final conclusion I would like to end up with is this, that these are one of the best budget earphones out there. Sound is loud and good, battery backup is enough as well, and then these are budget ones also. If you wanna buy these, then just go through the description link. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.